Hello, my name is Jack. I'm a product specialist here at Acura. Today I'd like to talk about walkaway auto lock, a feature included on the 2025 MDX. So, to find this feature, you go into vehicle settings on the touchscreen and then go to door setup right there. Under door setup, you can find walkaway auto lock. From factory, this is turned off. I have this turned on right now. All you do is click it to turn on. And then another one that's turned off from factory is auto folding door mirror. That allows your folding mirrors to activate every time you walk away and lock the vehicle. The mirrors will also fold in. So now that we have that turned off, if we walk away from the vehicle with the key fob in our pocket, the doors will automatically unlock. But let's say you want to use your power lift gate and exit hands-free and also utilize the walkaway auto lock feature. I'll show you how to do that. So we just parked, we're going to turn off the vehicle. We just opened our power lift gate. So let's say your hands are full. Before you grab everything, just click this button right here. So when I walk away and the vehicle automatically locks, it'll also close our power lift gate. So let's give it a try. Cool. And if I walk away further, it's going to fold in the mirrors and lock the vehicle. Very nice.